good evening. We have a fabulous evening planned for you here at North Park Elementary. We welcome all of our new families. For those, this is your first year in school. We hope that you will talk to your children about what an exciting time they're going to have. And parents, I hope you will help us by working with them at home, learning all the new skills, talk with their teachers where your child's at and where you hope for them to be by the end of the school year. North Park is a fabulous center for all of our youngest learners, and we know this will be a great, successful year.
Right. Hi, my name is Laura Beth Hayes.
I'm Sabrina Morgan.
We are the principals at North Park Elementary. We are very excited to be here tonight for our open house for kindergarten. So we are welcoming families, as you see behind us right now. The thing that I would like for families to know first is our theme for the year is Be Ready to Soar. So we are really excited to help our students grow and take off and learn all kinds of new things this year. I would also like our families to know that we use several different forms of communication, and so we want to make sure that families are following our school Facebook page, joining our class dojo, and really checking those emails and listening to those send-it calls that come through so they stay up to date to all of our information.
And also Ms. Hayes sends out a family newsletter weekly that also has a lot of wonderful information, and there are lots of ways to stay in contact with the school and make sure you know everything that's going on. We are super excited about this year, and it is going to be amazing for our students.
We can't wait to partner with you parents and have a wonderful year.
My name is Courtney Baker, Miss Baker. I teach preschool here at North Park. I'm here today to help collect documents for kindergarten. Some of the documents you need for kindergarten as well as preschool is a birth certificate, immunizations, an updated physical, and a vision exam. We would like to collect them by the first day of school as soon as possible. If you have any complications, just contact the office.
Hello, my name is April Dern, and I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at North Park Elementary. We're here tonight welcoming all of our new kindergarten students to our open house event. And a little bit about the FRC, we're basically here in the school to help students and families remove barriers and break those barriers down to make them more successful in school.
Good evening. My name is Christy Lohman. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at North Park Elementary. We're here at open house this evening, and I can speak for everyone here in our school, the teachers and all the staff, that we're excited to watch all of our new kindergartners this year learn and soar and just have a really great year.
My name is Mr. Hernandez. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at North Park Elementary School. I've been here this is going to be my second year now. I'm actually here because of the military. I moved here with my father, and North Park kind of is the place that I landed, and I'm really happy about being here. Something that I would like to tell all my students and everybody out there is that I'm really excited to work with kids. And I think a lot of teachers share that sentiment. Anytime we get a chance to interact with those kids, it's fantastic and amazing. So I really hope that you will trust us and believe in us, and we will do the exact same thing to your students.
Hello, name's Alexis Austin. Son's 5, his name's Sky Hash. He's going into kindergarten. So far, our experience has been the best I could imagine. It's our first year, so hopefully it gets better.
Okay. My name is Shelly Dela Cruz. My daughter is going into kindergarten. She's super excited. North Park has been incredibly helpful with everything, getting all the kids to where they need to go. So many people have reached out and making sure that all the kids have everything that they need and making sure they feel comfortable. So yeah, we're excited to start this school year.
Hi there, guys. This is Edna Powell. I am the Special Needs Transportation Coordinator for Hardin County Schools. I also coordinate North Park's transportation. We are here tonight working the open house, giving the parents their bus information and taking information from them if their student is being picked up or dropped off from somewhere other than home. If this includes any of you parents that are watching this and your student is being picked up or dropped off in someplace other than home, give us a call down at the bus garage, 270-769-8890, and we'll see if we can't take care of you.
Okay, so this is Christopher Goodwin here, and then we have Jackson Goodwin. They are going into kindergarten this year, and so far we love North Park. We had pre-K here, and they had a good time and learned a lot last year, and we're looking forward to this year.
Yeah.